Hi, so how's it all going?
Okay, okay.
What are you doing with the toilet there?
This changing for water coming here upstairs, water new this water here.
So you're putting a new flush on?
Yes.
And what's the purpose of that?
Global warming.
Is it to make it more efficient?
Water. Yes. Yes.
And is it an easy job?
Easy. Problem. For listen, this that for PP water here only like this for more water coming, everything nice, very good, real new towel.
The radiator?
Yes.
So do you think it will increase the value of the property?
No understand.
Do you think that the work that you're doing will increase the value of the property?
It's very good property. It's very good, very nice, everything very nice, new. This very good, only little water. This one is very good for, it's very good.
Do you think when people are looking around a property that they're interested in the efficiency, the effect of the environment of their house?
Yes, environment. Yes, environment, very good.
Do you think that's an important thing that people look for?
Yes, because house or very old building is very money everywhere. The windows, plastic window, halogen, lower page, very good. And this finish now, everything good, and after Tomek, Simon say Tomek, very good boss, because Simon bring beer for work.
Do you quite often drink when you're working?
No. Then maybe the finish work beer.
But it's only 10 o'clock in the morning?
No problem. It's because work is not. No, because always work. And my wife working, environment, make the cleaning, everything very nice. Simon, good boss. I'll go now. I go. Wojtek!